Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Chainlink. So Link is one of those coins that I've always talked about loving so much because of what it really brings to the ecosystem. I will say Chainlink is continuing to provide so much value to the crypto space with 700, 800 plus projects, continuing to build onto Chainlink with VRF as well as randomness. We've talked about all of the possibilities that VeChain can actually offer, and we're going to kind of deep dive in today regarding the prices that we have really kind of been seeing as they increase up to $29.12 now, about a 9% increase in just the last 24 hours. If we actually take a look at the last week, we do see about a 13.22% increase as well. And then finally, the last month with about a 28.12% increase. This is not that crazy of an increase. We've seen a lot of other coins, jumping about 50 to 120% of increases in the last month alone. So Chainlink has a while to go to actually impress a lot of our investors, or a lot of investors in Chainlink specifically. We do see a $30.52 price point that we saw August 16th at 6 a.m. So there has been a lot of volatility, obviously jumping from that $30.52 all the way down to $24.76 just 3 days later. So like I said, volatility is going to continue to remain in the market, honestly, during this bull market part 2 as we try to get started and recover fully back into it. You're going to see volatility, as like I said, remain in the market. Market cap, though, right now at $12.6 billion, and the volume continues to rise on Chainlink at $1.6 billion in the last 24 hours alone. If we take a look at Chainlink, or really my most recent tweet about Chainlink, we're going to see that buying Link at $15 feels like stealing. What are you accumulating? So I actually tweeted this back during the dip July 16th at 2020, or I guess July 16th, 2021. Obviously earlier this year during that dip when it dropped actually all the way down. If we take a look at July 16th, let's take a look at July 16th. It's going to be obviously more than a month. So if we go back to July 16th, that was right at about $15. I think there was dips below 15 at that day, and we actually saw it drop all the way down to $13.74. Happily, I was able to grab some Chainlink below $15, and now at this $29.12 mark, we are about doubling from that price that I was able to buy in at. So I'm excited to say that, guys, if you want to stay up to date with those kind of call outs or those kind of tweets specifically, make sure to follow me on Twitter, CryptoProfitYT. I always try to give you guys some good insights and what I'm currently thinking about the market. Before we jump much more into crypto news relating to Chainlink, I want to talk a little bit more about a way to actually stake Chainlink. So a lot of people talk about how there's no way to actually stake Chainlink. Well, there's kind of a way, and that's with BlockFi. So BlockFi is one of those. This is, by the way, a sponsored little segment here, but BlockFi is one of those ways to actually jump on board with really earning interest on certain said crypto, and you can actually do it with Chainlink. So with a BlockFi interest account or BIA account, your cryptocurrency can earn up to 7.5% APY. Interest occurs daily and is paid monthly. There are no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and no reason to wait. So obviously a lot of people are already taking advantage of this, and you can actually borrow money at rates as low as 4.5% APR as well. I will have my specific link down in the description below, so if you guys want to take advantage, it actually I think you can get up to $250 of Bitcoin when you sign up using my link. So a great time to buy it right now, below 50K Bitcoin. Hopefully, as this bull market continues on, that $250 can turn into $500, $750, or maybe even $1,000, depending on where we go from here. So, a great time to buy in, or, not really even buy in, just at least sign up, check it out yourself, see, how you can actually stake Chainlink in a way on BlockFi. So thank you guys again for taking a second with me there. Let's jump back into Chainlink, because a lot of integrations, a lot of partnerships continuing to roll in with Chainlink. I've talked about for a while how Chainlink's one of, like I said, my favorite, really highest upside coins, in my opinion, when it comes to dominating the market. And I think Chainlink's definitely going to continue to do so. And I think, all it takes is staking. And I think, like I said, BlockFi hopefully continues to provide that for us until we actually get Chainlink staking available to us. So one of the big integrations was with NFT Stars. So obviously, NFTs are continuing to boom. NFT Stars 1 is one of those projects that I've actually talked about in the past on one of my top 3 upcoming project videos that you must invest in. It's probably a 2 or 3x since then, and it's continuing to see some momentum. Obviously, with this most recent one, NFT Stars 1 has integrated Chainlink VRF on Ethereum mainnet to support its new Galaxy Hero NFT series. Chainlink VRF is used in the Galaxy modifier or modificator to fairly and securely generate random update cards, which can increase the uniqueness of an NFT hero. I do want to jump into a few more things regarding yield aggregator Fleta Chain is using Chainlink price feeds to calculate multiplier rewards on vaults. We also have Neuramon NFT is using Chainlink VRF on Polygon mainnet to access probable fair random numbers for determining the contents of NFT booster packs. I will say, guys, what's crazy about this is how many different, honestly, how many different, I guess, partnerships and integrations Chainlink's seeing in just a 24-hour period. This is all within 24 hours that I'm talking about right now, and we have more to even look at. And we have Wazder GG is integrating Chainlink VRF to being probably fair play to the entertainment gaming industry. We also have Chainlink price feeds live on Optimism PBC mainnet through a native deployment or really development projects being built on Optimism can leverage Chainlink for inexpensive, low latency price updates in near real time, which still getting high quality data and robust security. So a lot of cool things coming. And we also see a lot of articles recently talking about Chainlink. Now that Chainlink's kind of moving past that $25, $26 mark, kind of breaking out a little bit against Bitcoin, we're starting to see Chainlink price prediction, come out for, certain articles. So here we have the Investing Cube. Is Link about to break out? Well, that's something we're going to mention here at the end of the video. But, a lot of people are starting to see that Link has a definite potential to break out if we can kind of continue past certain, levels or certain price values. So we'll talk about that here in a second. We also see, do Chainlink Basic Attention Token and Dogecoin make for a good investment? At the bottom, I will just kind of summarize it for you. They basically said, the three altcoins have been displaying some strong values as of late, with BAT volume rising by 16% in 24 hours, reaching 300 million. Their volatility is in a good spot as always, or not as always, but as well, sitting in the lower 90% zone for Doge and 60 to 70% range for BAT and Link. Additionally, thanks to their strong correlation with Bitcoin, all three altcoins make for an attractive investment. So yes, is basically the answer of all three of these from AMB Crypto. They're suggesting that they're all three, fairly good investments. We also saw Yahoo Finance, and this was just very, very recently, about 20 minutes ago. Obviously, by the time you see the video, probably about an hour ago, we have this new article coming out about Chainlink price feeds live on Optimistic Ethereum for quick, secure, and scalable DeFi deployment, or development, I should say. I always say deployment when, it's development, and development when it's deployment. I'm not sure why. I think I just read the first half and continue on. But, just cool to actually see, most smart contracts, applications, and protocols rely on external oracles in some capacity, particularly for price feeds in DeFi to perform on-chain actions like checking loan collateralization or settling binary options at expiry. So the importance of oracles will continue to grow too, as projects increasingly leverage oracles to add advanced utility on or to their chain applications. After receiving overwhelming demand for our community, we're excited to announce that market-leading decentralized oracle network Chainlink is running live on Optimistic Ethereum. So we are seeing, like I said, a lot of cool things coming and new partnerships, new integrations. And this is, like I said, one of the bigger ones that I wanted to kind of touch on a little bit farther, with Yahoo Finance featuring an article on Chainlink, which is, like I said, definitely good for Chainlink to continue to get that get their names out there, I guess, a little bit. Obviously, everyone knows who Chainlink is if you've been in the market for a while, but for those of you who, maybe just started looking into crypto within the last couple of weeks, you may not know what Chainlink is quite yet. And like I said, it's great to see articles coming out. I do want to say, though, about a 7% increase in the last 24 hours. We just had a recent dip from about 29.40 down to about 28.98. Obviously, like I said, volatility is going to continue to remain, so we are going to see these ups and downs on the way up, hopefully continuing on that way up. I've talked about the end of the year where we could see Chainlink actually pushing. By the end of the year, I'm still proposing that we could actually see Chainlink in that $100 to $200 range. I think, by the end of the year, that's definitely within range, definitely within reason, as that's only about a 3 to 4x from our current price point. I do think as we move forward, though, by the end of the bull market part 2, we could see much, much higher, $200 to $400, well within range, well within reason. That's honestly a conservative price prediction with Chainlink. I think this is one of the coins that I'm probably I would say it's one of the coins I'm probably most bullish on. It's a coin that I believe in, like I said, highly. I talk about it pretty much daily on the channel. And if you guys want to stay up to date with Chainlink as well as so many other altcoins, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. If you guys have not already, by the way, followed me on Twitter, CryptoProfitYT on Twitter. I will continue to kind of mention Chainlink here and there. Obviously, like I said, one of my favorite coins to talk about, as I believe very highly in it. I will also say, guys, we do have a Patreon. I just started with 100K subscribers. Thank you guys for, by the way, that amazing milestone of 100K subscribers. I do have a Patreon down below in the description. All you have to do is go to patreon.com/CryptoProfitYT. We'll kind of keep you up to date there if you guys want to, continue to support the channel a little bit farther. I'll keep you up to date with pre-sales, ICOs, IDOs, and low market cap picks, as well as giving you, details into my full portfolio what I'm trading, what I'm holding, and what I'm investing in. So thank you guys again. I'll see you all in the next one. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. I'll see you